keep your mind busy. Stop it. Some of you that are paying some children money every month and making a slave. Slave, listen. There are some things they pay people that are slave them. That is a whole you now. A whole you. Every month you collect 300,000 and sit down. A whole you. If you put it to work, I said the spirit of what? Hey! And then you collect 100,000. That is slavery. You are undermining your complete self. You are trampling on the glory that is resident in you, the power at work in you. That is why your expensive will always be more than your income. Always. If you are making, you are meant to spend money on every month. You know what? Don't play with me. I'm not collecting 200,000. And I've been trying to adjust to meet up with 200,000. You couldn't adjust. Because you don't need the job. You need your inspiration. If your inspiration will lead you to go and start selling what can come in a different way, the things that inspiration must come in a different way.